Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to change your name in Facebook, you have come to the right place. In today's video, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Once you're on your home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the small arrow pointing downwards next to your profile icon. In the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to the General Account Settings page. Here you will see your name, username, and other account information. Now you can enter your new first name, last name. Facebook has some guidelines for name changes, so make sure your new name follows their rules. Once you have entered your new name, click Review Change. Facebook will show you a preview of how your new name will look. If everything looks good, click Save Changes. That's it. You have successfully changed your name on Facebook. This is how you can change your name on Facebook. Keep in mind that Facebook might take a few days to process the change, and you can't change your name again for 60 days. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or video suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.